So today I'm reviewing this Kingone selfie stick. So it is a selfie stick which is kind of an hybrid wherein you can use it as a selfie stick as well as a tripod for holding your cameras and phones. So let's get started and look into what we get in this box, what all is included in this box. So to begin with, we get a user manual which is in English, so you can read this. And then we get a USB type C charger, so USB to USB type C charger. And then we get the actual selfie stick. So talking about the selfie stick itself, we get a remote which you can use to click your pictures. So this connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and the best part is this is rechargeable, so which is really good. You can reuse it. You don't have to go around and look for that battery, that cell battery. And flipping it on the other side, we get to see a mobile holder. So this one is a mobile holder, and this is a flashlight or a fill light, so you can control it like this. You get three modes, wherein one white light and a warm and a mixture of white and warm light. And as well as you can also change, or to say, the brightness of this light. See, yeah, there are three modes of brightness level that you can set. So now I have set it up in the tripod mode. So you get this lever, so you can attach a camera and use this lever to tilt it and get a good 360 view or a good panoramic photo. And here is where your camera goes. So you can open this, and here we get a lever here, so you can tighten this to fix it, so now it won't move. And this is actually height adjustable, like you can see, any sort of phone can fit in here. And you can also rotate it up to 360 degree. It is rotatable 360 degree. So if you can see here, you can attach a phone right here, so your phone goes right here. And then you can adjust the telescopic height. Yeah, you can see I have just extended it already. So you can see it is extended, so this is pretty good. And you can actually extend it up till 7 feet. I mean, not 7 feet, 6 feet, so which is quite the thing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.